So yeah, I'll go to Canada. That's a good idea. Let's go to Canada. This car has not been on any road trip. Ready for this trip tomorrow. Should be good to go with daily driven tomorrow. Damon called. He said, "You want to come to Canada?" So yeah, I'll go to Canada. That's a good idea. Let's go to Canada. We're driving to Canada, but I got some stuff to do to the car first. It's got to get into the shop. I need new rear tires. There's a bunch of things I need to do. Big brand. I'm on the way. Big brand. Here I come. Hope those tires are there. All right, so it's a long ride to Canada, and that's where we're supposedly heading. We're gonna take 3 days. Alex, Joy, me, Dave, and Damon. This car has not been on any road trip. We did the brakes not too long ago, but now, no, I needed rear tires, and you're gonna see why in a little bit. If you didn't get a peek last time, they are not looking good. So, who's my favorite place to come, especially here in Simi Valley? I like to keep things local. Big brand tire, they've been so good to me. They got the tires in for the car. Tony, the manager's inside. He always hooks me up. Got it on the alignment rack. I'm gonna head in, check in, head to the gym, get a little workout in, come back and possibly have them also do some coolant too. I don't think the coolant's ever been done on this car, at least that I know, so it's probably good to do that before a long trip. So a couple things on the menu today before tomorrow's departure. All right, man, Tony's available. This guy's always busy. How are you today?
Doing good.
Nice to see you. You're gonna help me out, man. We're leaving tomorrow. Nobody knows this yet, okay? So don't tell anybody.
I won't tell.
All right, promise not to tell anybody? The other guys gotta promise to. The Daily Driven Exotics, me, Dave, Damon, and Alex Troy tomorrow are taking off and going to Canada. Okay? I got the invite yesterday. So we knew we needed tires. That's why you had ordered them for me about 2 weeks ago. But I figured I was gonna burn these off the car. I gave the kid the keys this past weekend, and he actually did a bunch of donuts. So there ain't a whole lot left on those rear tires. So perfect timing to get those new tires on. Plus, I'd like you to look at the antifreeze and stuff too, because I think you guys did the brake fluid for me, all the brake fluid last time. You flushed that all. The brakes are great job on that. Now the coolant. I think we should do coolant. Possibly look at the power steering fluid. Just make sure everything's good for a good long trip up to Canada with no problems.
Let's do it.
That's the plan. All right, man. I'm going to the gym in the meantime, so I know it's in good hands. Cool. All right, man, so we got these are the Nitos, the Nito 305 3020s. That's what we need. It looks like you guys ordered another set. Were you expecting me to come back with another set of ball tires?
Yeah.
Thanks. Very cool. All right, this will be my my shelf, I guess.
Yeah.
Steve's shelf.
Check the coolant reservoir, right?
That's correct. Let's check the coolant and the power steering reservoir as well. Hey Tony, back from the gym, man. That was good. It's nice to see the car done, finished up. Your guy said he checked the coolant, looked good. Power steering fluid, we topped it off just a little bit, and you got my tires on, you balanced everything. I guess the front right was a little out of balance, so we took care of that, so we should be good for the trip, huh?
Should be good, man.
Should be good for another set of the tires off my rack back there when I get back. I'm gonna shred those. All right, man, so we'll see you again soon. Hey kid, it was a busy day today. Got a lot of stuff done. Thanks for taking care of some stuff while I was gone. By the way, yeah, I went to Tony. We got the new tires in the back. Checked the fluids, add some power steering fluid that we needed. It was a little bit low. What else? Checked the coolant, looked good. Did a bunch of stuff. Ready for this trip tomorrow. But you were helpful because while I had to go out and do a few things like get my hair cut and do all that kind of stuff that was important. You know what you were instrumental in helping with was... Oh, I like that. Well, what you were instrumental in helping with is getting the airbags all calibrated. We seemed to have figured out where the short was coming from, and you can show everybody right now if you want where that short was. So we're gonna get that buttoned up here right now. but at least I figured out that short where it was coming from. We rewrapped the wires, we did everything, and we haven't had any blowouts since then. But we do have fuses, right, kid? We got fuses in here?
I think so.
Yeah, better have fuses. I think we do have fuses.
Yeah.
So, and just in case, of course. But we got that figured out. Then the next thing we needed to figure out was, remember we had, right, kid? It was going up and down and up and down and all that bouncing. So, while I was gone, kid put it on flat ground, and he worked it all out and got it now where it sits down real nice. It comes up nice, so we're pretty calibrated now. So I'm pretty comfortable with the airbags. Now, assuming they don't just completely blow out or have some major malfunction, should be good to go with daily driven tomorrow. Oh, that's right, one more thing. Where are we heading right now? Well, we gotta clean up those wires down there, but that's easy. Hey kid.
Yep.
So I called the guys over at Diamond Auto Salon over here in Westlake Village. You know, across from where they used to do the asphalt theory before we got kicked out of there.
Yeah.
Anyway, so those guys, I told them I'm leaving tomorrow and I needed to make sure with the airbags everything was buttoned up, and I need to make sure with the radar and everything was all built in and everything was good to go. So I called them, they agreed for us to come over there right now. So we're stopping in, they're gonna check it over, and that way at least we know we're all good to go. Thanks, Diamond. Appreciate you. What's up, guys? How are you? Hey, I gotta thank everybody here at Diamond Auto Salon. They stayed late for me tonight. They know I'm leaving town tomorrow and I needed some things checked out. They took care of it for me, man. I love these guys. They're terrific. They're a newer shop here in Westlake Village. They had a great event that I came a month ago. They're young guys working hard. Come support them. Come check their place out. They're gonna have some other kind of cars and coffee type events coming up. But in the meantime, stop by, say hi to Zach, say hi to Ari. Two young guys who are busting buttons. Hey, Zach, come on in here a second, man. I want to introduce you to everybody. This is Zach. Thanks again, man.
Thank you.
Ari,
nice to meet you guys.
Ari left, he's gone, but look at this nice shop here, man. They're doing all kinds of work.
Keeping it very clean, simple, classy. That's the look we try to maintain.
I don't know why you let my car in then with me, but so we kind of destroyed that tonight with this grungy old Ferrari. But you know what, these guys are nice. This car's got a lot of plans. We're gonna be working together with Zach and Ari and Diamond here going forward as well. And thank you for staying late for me tonight to check a couple things out that we'll talk about. We got plans, let's leave it at that.
Yes, sir.
Tonight we needed to just initialize some of those still to be secret plans and take care of a couple small airbag and a couple electronic related issues tonight, which these guys are pretty good at.
Touches and talk about a few plans maybe for the near future here, and you know, just make sure that this car, Steve's in good hands, and you know, we're trying to do everything we can to help out.
Right here, Diamond Auto Salon. They're on Instagram too. We're gonna put their address right here. Check them out, follow them, and tell them Steve said hi when you come by and check them out.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Thanks,
Thank you.
All right.
Thanks again.
Thumbs up.
I found. And like that.
So quiet. Go with the Ferrari.
今休憩中です。こういうところですね。これはカリフォルニアのレッドウッドフォレストだよね。レッドウッドですよね。すごいですよ。綺麗ですよね。スーパーカーで撮るとさらに素晴らしいんですが、ファンの人たちが結構いるんだよね。途中の道で。